XHAL.UK is excited to announce our new campaign, A Day in the Life of XHAL. Because we believe transparency and accountability in AI matter now more than ever. At XHAL UK, every day is different. But our mission stays the same: we build AI that puts people first. Especially those whose voices are often unheard. A typical day shows what our team does and how our products support people. A neurodivergent teen logs into Teddy AI before school, anxious after another episode of bullying. Teddy listens in their own words, offers comfort, and gently suggests help. Behind the scenes, a quiet flag goes to their care team: no alerts, no panic. And only when they ask for support does our safeguarding team step in with dignity and consent. Later, a care worker finishes a draining night shift. They don't want to talk to colleagues, so they open EchoMinds. It listens, reassures them, and suggests a simple walk with music, quietly logging the moment so we can check in later if needed. In the afternoon, a teacher supporting SEN learner sees a student acting out. It's not normal. They speak to EchoMinds for guidance, then use Rapid LMS to create a trauma-informed support plan in minutes. A charity contacts us to offer AI training to those in conflict zones, or with limited AI knowledge and experience. And our team engages in creating a Rapid LMS with tuition through our Youth Foundation. Behind it all, our team, led by AI Director Cole Coley, works with real people to improve every product we build. With AADAN XHILOS, we turn feedback into action fast. We do this because AI in public services is often missing or misused. We believe AI should support people, not replace them. And that it should never create barriers for those in conflict zones or economically deprived areas. If we fail to act, we risk a two-tier world of haves and have-nots. We believe everyone should benefit and improve their lives with AI. No other AI company is as open as we are. Because we have built people-first AI from the start with AADAN and XHILOS, our human-in-the-loop platforms designed not for profit but for purpose. We don't scrape data, we co-create it with those affected most.